Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about that how can you improve your English language by watching YouTube videos. How can you get the help from YouTube and you will improve your English language, and one day you will speak very good English language, fluent English language. You know that right now there are no excuses if you are willing to improve yourself in English language. In previous time you can make the excuses that we don't have the access of videos or listening access of podcast. Only at that time you have the access of books, reading books. But right now the social media has given you opportunity to browse, to search all kind of things where there you are willing to. So there are a lot of stuff uploaded on social media, on YouTube, especially on YouTube. If you search about English learning, you will find a lot of videos. Those will come in front of you, and from those videos you can get guidance. There are teachers, they are guiding you, they are teaching you about their journey, they are sharing their experience about their English learning journey, and from their journey you can learn a lot of things and you can get motivation. In this way you can learn English language, you can improve yourself. As I am telling you, I am sharing my stories on this channel and I am discussing in English language. Also you are listening, watching video and also listening, and also you are improving your English language, because whatever I have learnt in my previous time, I am sharing that right now on this channel. So I think that in previous time I was reading the books, memorizing the difficult words and their meanings, and I was not doing the practice of speaking English language, because as I told you that no one was available with whom I could make the practice of English speaking, and I was not listening the English language speakers. No social media was available at that time, and right now this is the great opportunity in your hand that you can listen, you can watch English language videos. When you will watch, when you will listen English language videos, then automatically you are imbibing the things, and whatever you are listening, one day you will deliver those things in front of the public through social media or live in front of the masses. So I think that if in this era someone is willing to improve English language and he is making excuses that I have no teacher, best teacher is in your hand in the form of cell phone, and through internet you can get a lot of guidance. If you know the basic things of English language and you want to improve yourself, then facility is available in your hand. Only the thing is that is required is the time. You will have to spend time. If you don't have time, then you can't improve yourself. You will have to give time to social media, browsing the things of your interest. If you are watching other things, wasting your time by watching the stuff, I think that you should get the entertainment. Entertainment is also necessary, but if you are giving the whole time to entertainment, then it's not good. The good thing is that manage your time, give lot of time in learning and less time in watching other things, such as you can watch entertainment videos. They are also necessary, because when you will watch those videos you will get refreshment, your mind will go fresh. In this way all things are necessary, but the main motive, what is your goal? If you are ignoring your goal, your motive, then I think that you are wasting your time. So give your precious time in learning, and when you will learn, then you will finally deliver whatever you have learnt. Hope you find this video useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, and if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing this channel so that you never miss our other videos. I Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.